Welcome to Pignataro Volkswagen. We specialize in new Volkswagens and stock a quality inventory of used cars. This is a 2008 Audi A3, a great fit and finish. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, fog lamps, air conditioning with automatic climate control, fold-down rear seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person. At VW, we are different, original, and honest. We build cars that offer a unique combination of German engineering, safety, driving enjoyment, and value. Pignataro Volkswagen is located at 10633 Evergreen Way South, Everett, Washington. We are different and proud of it.